Before Wall Street opens tomorrow, some stocks are already making big moves in the pre-market. But the real question is, which of these moves actually matter, and which ones are just noise? In this video, I'll break down the top stocks to watch tomorrow, explain why they're moving, and what smart investors are watching, without hype, without guarantees, and in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Let's decode the market together. This video is for education only. I'm not giving financial advice or price guarantees. Always do your own research before investing. Stock 1: Nvidia. Nvidia is in focus as traders react to AI demand, chip sector momentum, and overall tech sentiment. In the pre-market, investors are closely watching volume and price stability, not just headlines. Key things to monitor tomorrow. Does the stock hold gains after market open? Is buying supported by strong volume, or just early hype? For long-term investors, Nvidia remains a technology leader, but short-term moves depend heavily on overall market mood. Stock 2: Apple. Apple is moving as investors track consumer demand, services growth, and broader Nasdaq direction. Even small pre-market moves in Apple matter because it heavily influences the entire index. What to watch? Reaction after the first 30 to 60 minutes. Whether buyers step in near key support levels. Apple is often a market signal stock. If Apple holds strong, confidence across tech usually improves. Stock 3: Tesla. Tesla remains one of the most actively traded stocks in pre-market sessions. Movements are often driven by delivery expectations, margin discussion, or EV sector sentiment. Tomorrow's focus. Does momentum continue or fade? Is volatility increasing? Tesla is known for sharp moves, so risk-aware traders always watch price behavior, not predictions. Stock 4: ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil is on the radar as traders monitor oil prices, energy demand, and global supply trends. Energy stocks often move differently from tech, making them important for portfolio balance. Key signals. Crude oil price direction. Market reaction to energy sector news. XOM is especially popular among dividend-focused investors looking for stability. Stock 5: Microsoft. Microsoft is being watched for its role in AI, cloud growth, and enterprise spending. Pre-market activity often reflects institutional positioning, not retail hype. Watch for smooth price action after the open. Nasdaq strength supporting the move. How to use pre-market data. Pre-market moves do not guarantee how a stock will trade during regular hours. Smart investors use pre-market data to identify stocks in focus. Watch volume confirmation. Avoid emotional trades. So these are the top stocks to watch tomorrow in the US market. Remember, movement is information, not instruction. If you want daily market updates explained simply, subscribe to Finance Decode USA. Drop a comment. Which stock are you watching tomorrow? I'll see you in the next market update.